Welcome to Nasir Solve. This is the second video of the Zotero tutorial series, and in this video I will show you how you can add citation and bibliography in Zotero. In the previous video I show to you how you can download and install the Zotero, and in this video we will start from here. I am preparing a Word document, so let's start. The first step is I'm adding a few lines, and here I want to add a citation reference. So the first step is you should include this. For example, this is the Chrome and I want to add this paper inside my citation, or I want to cite this paper, okay, in my reference. So this is the icon of Chrome plugin of Zotero. Click on this and click on done. So if I open the Zotero, here you will see that this is also added inside my Zotero application. So now I can add the citation of this page. Or the right portion inside the info, you can find the more relevant option. It's item type, the author name, the publication, and many more. Okay, so its author, for example, its author is this one. And inside my Word document, I want to add this citation and reference as well. Okay, so here inside the Word, when you install the Zotero, so it automatically configure it. So on the top, this is the Zotero tab. Click on this one, and on the left side, this is add or edit citation. Press on this one. So this window is opened. You can directly write here. For example, if I write the author name, it automatically fetch from this Zotero application which we already added, okay, the H index advantages and limitations. Or when you click on this one and go to the classic view, this is the most relevant view, and here all the citations or all the basically reference and mention. So from this one I want to reference is this one. Okay, what do we know about the H index? Click on OK, then automatically here you find that one, that's basically it is the one reference. Okay, inside my reference, if I here click and again click add to bibliography, then it automatically add that page reference here. This is the one, and inside the reference the one stand for this one. Similarly, if we add another reference, for example, here I want to add the second reference as well. So add or edit citation, and here if you know about the author name or something, you can directly write here, or you can go to the classic view to view all the references. For example, here I want to add the H index advantages limitation, this reference. Click on OK, and now it automatically add the reference side to, and here the citation as well. So it automatically for the second time it automatically add the bibliography and citation as well here. So this is how you can add the citation or bibliography. We can also edit it. For example, if I click on 2, again go to the add and edit, and here you can edit it or delete it, something like. So this is all about the basic of Zotero. If you have any questions regarding to this topic, you can email me. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.